I'm back. This keeps happening, and it's not just happening to me. It's happening to people that I know too. Like I watch their streams, and randomly it'll just say the stream you're watching has ended. I press the little squiggly little like arrow, the refresh button, and then it's back. I don't know. Let's see. Let's look at the time here, the timestamp. If it shows it, does it show it? 30 seconds. Yeah. Okay. Sorry about that. I don't know why that's. It's been happening to me and other people that I know. It's very strange. Anyway, um, you do have time, so it's good that you're thinking about it now. 18 is your perfect timing to like let your brain develop more and figure out what you want to do. I'm figuring it out at 27, so it happens. It's a piece of paper that says you 100% agree. I honestly think school is a waste of time for me, but not more. But I see more of yeah, and but that's the thing though. People, and I'll tell you this, since you are, I'm sure you didn't come here for a freaking lecture, and I'm not trying to make it seem like that. But when you look at jobs, they do say like required, but that doesn't mean you can't apply because other people, I'm just letting you know, other people are seeing that same thing and they're getting discouraged themselves. They're like, oh, it says degree, I can't do it. You can still apply, and they may say, well, we didn't get any applications from people with degrees, but this person has experience in X, Y, and Z. They don't have a degree, but they still applied. You got a leg up. So don't let that deter you just because you see X degree required. It ain't deterring me. The worst thing they could say is no. You got a 50-50 chance of at least getting an interview. Yeah, definitely. I recommend, even if you see that, just send it. Just full send it. And they say no, who cares? There's millions of jobs out there doing millions of different things, you know? So I don't mean to lecture you or sound like a parent or a fucking counselor or anything. Just like a helpful piece of advice for anyone who's applying for a job. Now, obviously, if you're really underqualified as far as the knowledge goes that they're asking for, like maybe then you don't, you know, but just because of the degrees on there, yeah. All right, I'm glad you find it helpful. Okay, so the stream ended. Kind of getting sidetracked here. I'm looking for a project. How to generate random number in a given range in C. Input equals lower, upper, count of random number. That's not the code. Here's the code. Includes standard library h time.h void print randoms int lower int number int count. Okay, let's try this out. I don't know. Actually include. Fuck. Why isn't that one working? Huh. It's probably because I don't have the thing. Standard in out.h. Oops. Okay. And then standard. Oh boy. I will say I did learn a little bit about C today, even though it's been a lot of like jumping around. Okay. And then time.h. What does .h mean? I want to look that up. I also forgot my notebook upstairs, so I haven't been taking notes. So I'm gonna unfortunately have to probably come back to doing the basics. Header. That's what the H.H stands for. Header files. Header files. Thank you. I'll tell you one thing. If I wish I was 18 again, I would have started programming too. If I could go back, I would tell myself to do that. Who knows where I'd be? Include syntax. Both your user. Wait. A header file is a file with extension .h which contains the function declarations and macro definitions. Okay. Since we're coding now and not watching videos, I'm gonna turn on some music, and if y'all are feeling it, let me know. If not, let me know. I'll turn it off. I had a feeling. I was like, why is it so quiet in my ear? I'm thinking some vaporwave today. Coding session music. What's X coding? Hello, how are you doing? Oh, Mr. X, what's up? Wait, is this Mr. X? Huh? Yeah, yeah, it is. What's up, man? How are you? From Python to C? Well, kind of. Remember that terminal we were talking about on Twitter. I I just can't figure out how to make the terminal build the terminal uh in Python. I'm doing great actually. We're having a good stream here. It crashed a second ago. I don't know why this has been happening, but some people that I watch and myself included, the stream will randomly crash and then come back automatically. So we just had that issue, but we're good now. Um, so I'm just kind of learning some C. Yeah, it's who knows, man. Who knows? How are you doing today? I think you said you're doing well. Yeah, you're doing well. All right, right on. Well, welcome, welcome. We're just kind of hanging out. I'm gonna play some music and make my first C project, a random number generator. Um, PyCharm Community Edition for converting code. I have PyCharm installed in here. I'm pretty sure in my Linux machine. Let me see. Oops, still looking at that. Yeah, we do. We got that. Um, on my GitHub, Nyan. Uh, let's just go here. So I made a shell. The shell is called Husk. We got a new follower. Hey, I think Nick. He's in my boot camp. Oh, thanks for the follow, Nyan. Um, so we built a shell in Python. It's called Husk. It runs on Linux. Yeah, no, I think they meant to say like, what is my terminal project? Um, so what was I saying? Oh, so I built the shell, right? But I want to have the shell in its own terminal, like this, right? I want to build. I basically want to recreate this, and I wanted to do it in Python because that's the language I'm most, I guess, comfortable with, and that's kind of what shell is written in. The what my Husk shell has been written in. The issue we've run into, yeah, no worries, no worries. Nyan programs in Rust, by the way, and C plus plus as well, I think. Nyan X coding also streams. He codes. I don't even remember what language you were coding in. C sharp, I think. Um, what was I saying? So yeah, I want to basically recreate the terminal. Um, but I've come to the point where I can't even find a guide on how somebody has done that before in Python only. it might have to be C, or it could be I think another language too. But um, so that's where we're at. That's why I'm kind of learning some C to try to get a hang of and see maybe this is just something I can do. That's why earlier MKB actually referred me to a project on GitHub. Resources, shell terminal stuff. I think I have Mr. X's. Yeah, I have your terminal in here that's in C sharp, and also made the new one, which is right here from today we found. Oh yeah, by the way, thanks for following X Coding. He or Nyan also streams very rarely, but I don't think they stream coding. I think they said they stream something else. But they also stream occasionally. Small streamers got to help each other out, you know. Okay, so let's go back to the project. So right now, X, we're just working on a simple. I just practicing project-based learning. Maybe by the end of the week, I want to kind of see if I can start building a terminal in C. Beat Saber once every 50 years. What is that? What do you mean? Beat Saber game once every 50 years. Oh, that's how long. Yeah, I got you. No worries. Sometimes people don't want to stream, dude. It's all right. Don't even worry about it. Um, let's go back to the project here. So, the time generates and counts. We got void. Oh, music. I'm sorry, y'all. Music, music, music. Let's listen to some guitar. Lo-fi guitar. Can you all hear that? At a reasonable level. If it's too loud and I'm too quiet or anything, any changes, let me know. Navy? Yeah, I was in the Navy. Um, yeah. What the hell is that emoji? I can't even see what that is. Hold on. It's so small on my screen. What emoji is that? I can't even tell, Bubba. Is that the globe? It's like I wish I could show y'all. I guess I can. Oh, it's a happy face? Okay, thank you. I cannot on my screen it looks like a globe. Here, I'll show y'all so y'all don't think I'm an onion. Yeah, a globe or an onion or something. Here. This is what I'm seeing right here. It looks like I can make it a little larger if where'd it go? On your phone? Okay. Oh, a salute? So wait, how the hell? For one person, it's a happy face. For two people, it's an onion or a globe, and for you, it's a salute. I thank you. Thank you for the salute. I appreciate that. Emojis are used differently across so many different platforms. It's kind of like I think we're getting closer to them being streamlined and working correctly together, but Still needs work, it seems. We good back on? Okay, we're good. Different app, different emoji? Yeah, right on, dude. True. Okay. So inside here, so this is print randoms and lower upper. Hold on. I want to see if there's a different example that kind of. My nose is all stuffed up again. It's pissing me off. Hmm. This actually looks like a different. This uses something different. Int rand void. The rand function returns a random integers whose range from 0 to rand max. Is symbolic constant that defines. Okay, let's try this way. Okay. Um. So let's do. Oops. Let's actually just. Let me make this one Conio. Is that it? That's what's wrong with it? Why are you giving me an error? What's up, baby? What's wrong? What's the message? What's going on? Huh. Include. Does it have to have this int rand void first? Different app, different. Conio.h is not a POSIX header. Lovely C. I don't think it'll be available for Linux. Oh. Oh. Excuse me, y'all. Sorry. Why are you going so slow? I use srand. So does that go? Where does that go though? You should be able to use standard in out if not if I'm not wrong though. So just take this one out, y'all think? Sorry. Random. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, let's check this out then. Oh, it's your 8 ball. That's random time. Huh. Huh. Well, this is a very complex program for me. I. Oh, let me pull up the chat again. Sorry. It's used to randomize a question. That's pretty cool. The only C app you wrote? No worries. Oh, so wait. So your terminal then? If I can, what is your terminal? Is your terminal in C sharp? But also, there was a terminal found written in C, so it's not impossible. So I shouldn't jump ship again already. We'll stick around, but I thought yours was in C as well. Yeah. Okay. So C works differently. Programming it is different depending on your OS. Is it the same way for C++? Recommendation. So how I've been doing it with the language is I give it a while. I don't just give up on it right away. So we're gonna stick C. We're gonna stick with C for at least a week and see how much I like C and what I can do with it. It's the same for all languages. Some operating systems provide different functionality. Yeah. Okay. I have class in what, 5 hours? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, exactly. See where it goes. Some languages give you high-level abstractions from things. Yeah. Yeah, we'll stick with project. Why does the music keep pausing? Get this project going. Excuse me. Good too. Okay, so long int. Yeah. long int void. I don't. It doesn't. Void doesn't have to be here, but we'll put it here for this. I'm pretty sure void doesn't have to be there. There's a lot of keywords, it seems. Um, the standard C headers can be found here. Implementations of C. Um, Nyan, if you wouldn't mind doing me a favor, in the Discord, would you mind sending? And there's a tab, a channel called Helpful Links. Would you mind posting that one in Helpful Links? If you wouldn't mind, if you appreciate it, thank you. Okay, interesting. So I have to remember. It seems like almost every line ends with a semicolon. Um, char ampersand. And its state unsigned is unsigned char state. X, how you doing today, man? Tonight? I don't know what time. Shit means, really. I get int and I get rand. I feel like I need to try. I think I need to start with a simpler, a more simple project. I need to change this camera. I lean back a lot, and it's just you can just see my stepmom's like wardrobe in the back. I don't think so, y'all. I think we need to do something much more simple for now, just to start with. World. I'm not making any progress. We're sitting idle. I hate sitting idle. Mini voting system. What was that? Oh, it's a Discord notification. Oh, thank you for posting that. Okay. What would be a good one? A student management, a calendar, maybe a calendar? Let's see. Calendar C, executable O. This is a basic calendar program created using simple C program. Okay. Let's 200 lines. Okay. I wish he left notes. Go to function definition. This one's not very simple either. God damn it. Nyan, C is tough. You got here on the day that I first started learning C and the day that I might quit it. C is really tough. I just like the way I learn is I learn by doing, but also being an example with explanation really helps me. That's why I like putting comments in my code because I might help somebody else out in the future who looks at it. Everybody's using the same list. Yeah. Well, it's Rome wasn't built in a day, so just got to take my time. And I was the same way with Python. I was the same way with JavaScript. So I I just want to find a good C project. That's easy, something simple from Hello World, one level up. That's all I'm looking for. What is this notification? Oh, Medium. I haven't looked at Medium in days. Calendar, unit converter, snake game, quiz game, cyber management, cricket score, online voting system, bus. Everybody's using the same list. Excuse me. It's almost lunchtime, y'all. Pretty excited. For me, it is. I don't know what time it is for y'all, but to nuke storage devices. You know what? Let's do something. You know what I can do? Hold on. Let's do something that I did in Python. Rock, paper, scissors. It takes an input. It prints stuff. It can have functions. So I think that would be a good project. Okay. I think this is the one. Yeah. I don't want to pressure too much. Rust people can be annoying about how good Rust is, but maybe Rust would be better since it's high level. What's what's G, C, and power? I saw that somewhere a few tabs ago. Oh, garbage collection. Okay. Rust doesn't have garbage collection. I think I've maybe Rust would be better since it's a lot higher level, but some offers things as C. Tell you what, Nyan, if you can send me some docs on Rust that are like and some videos on kind of getting started, I'll check it out. I'm not gonna leave C right away, but if you can send me like some helpful beginner shit in like in Discord or wherever, I'll check it out because I heard Rust is also very difficult. It's not a very beginner friendly language. I'm open to find like I'm just trying to find something that right now at least does my project, my Husk terminal. So all right, yeah, if you could do that, yeah, I mean take your time. It doesn't have to be today, tomorrow, whatever. I would very much appreciate. I believe it's more beginner friendly than C. Well, who knows? I'm gonna challenge myself to at least do a little bit of this though. How far back can we go? We got these. So okay. Maths. And I did learn it after C though, so maybe. I mean, like there's so much out there, and something about is bound to click with me. Whether it's Rust, whether it's Ruby, Python, C, C++, C Sharp, whatever. I like. Eventually, I'll find a thing that works for me. Function to, okay, function to implement the game. Int game. I need to organize Discord a little bit and have like channels, like threads within each, like that helpful link channel. Um, so like I can organize it a bit better. I like organization. Um, so let's add a. Yeah, X, are you streaming today? I think I asked it already. I don't know if you responded or not. Uh, no? Okay, no worries, no worries. I was gonna try to raid. Making plans, right on, dude, right on. I will try to be there. I try to get into everybody's stream that, especially if they're programming, um, at least for a little while, even if it's like a lurk. Especially if they're a small streamer. So you don't just turn on the stream and just go. You plan it out beforehand, though. Maybe I should do the same. I kind of did. I was like, today I'm gonna play. I was looking forward to learning C a little bit and making something with it, and then here we are. Holy shit! Wait a minute. 99% of chats I'm lurking. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you for the compliment. I try to be. I'm a little rough around the edges, but you know, needs more documentation. Okay. Yeah, I like lurking too. I have two accounts that I try to lurk on for people, um, especially if I'm doing something else myself. So I try. But thank you for the compliment. That makes my day. Um, int game. How y'all liking the music, dude? This guitar is pretty nice, huh? Sounds familiar. It is on YouTube. It's a an artist named, what is this guy's name? Justice Durr. I'll put it in the chat, and there it is. He, or I think he has this album on a called Covers on this channel called Steezy as Fuck, and I like Steezy as Fuck because it's really lo-fi. A lot of lo-fi beats. I've been listening to this. I've been listening, subscribe to this channel for almost, I want to say 7 years now, since like the very beginning. Um, so they got a lot of good albums on there. If you guys are looking for music that's pretty chill, you know, coding or studying or just chilling. Okay. So this is saying, just copy his notes. Oops. If u is equal to compute, no, we already did that one. If u is equal to s, character s, computer is equal to the character p. Oops. Or just p. Oh. Yeah, paper. Okay, scissors, paper. Return 0. So that means the next one I'm gonna say without even looking at it. Let's close this. If u is equal to p and computer is equal to s, return 1. If u is equal to r, so I think so it's gonna follow along with that. If that's my understanding, and looks like no z. It uses z instead of r, I think, unless these are reserved for something. R might be reserved for something. I have no clue. Okay. So. Oh, we forgot one. There's an else statement in here. Else if. If. Else if. Return 1. Okay. And this one also, if u is equal to s and computer equals z, return 1 as well. Have we clarified what 1? Okay, the notes will definitely, the comments will definitely help, so. Return 1. Oh, oops. That's not good. We're currently within the, there we go. That should do that. Why is this, in their example, why is this else if so indented? Got another follower on GitHub. Nice. So if the user's choice is stone, oh, they're using stone. No wonder they're not using rock. So rock. Okay. Hey, is anybody in here from another country? Beside, like, who's not NA, I guess. If you are, I guess some people might use it like in NA as well. But when you played the game when you were growing up, rock, paper, scissors, do you use stone as opposed to rock? Has anybody ever done that? I'm curious. Nope. Okay. Do they stay? I have no idea. I'm from the U.S. Um, I'm just curious because this example, rock paper scissors, right? But they decided to use stone. So I was curious if maybe somebody from a different region made this program and they're using stone as opposed to rock. I don't know. It could be possible. I could be fucking wrong. No clue. This is why you always ask questions rather than assume. um. So where are we? We are here. Like, and also I don't know if R is supposed to be some type of reserved thing in this language. R is fine. Okay, so I'd rather that because S is really throwing me off. Like, and I don't even know what Z is. I think Z is scissors for them. So I'm gonna change this and make it my own. So paper is good. S is for what the fuck is Z? S is scissors. No, S is. That's why, because I put stone. S is stone. Z is scissors. That doesn't make any goddamn sense to me. Um, so we'll do it like that. So change the notes up to rock, paper, rock. If R is equal to, and then we're not going to use that. So if else Z is equal to, so I also want to make um okay, and then scissors is equal to S. Okay, nice. So we have that now. That'll help me remember. So if U equals this one, that one, okay, return 1. Else if U equals S, and then it would be um, R. Okay. And what is Where's this one? This one. Change the music up a little bit. I'm feeling a little bit more upbeat now, kinda. Playlist. A little city pop for you. Hope y'all like city pop. I love it. What the hell did I just do? If u equals... If p, okay, and return 0. Oh, else if. Spell computer wrong on this one. Okay. Paper. Return what? 1. Uh-oh. I guess this track got muted by somebody. Play this instead then. Fuck it. Okay. So this if is if the wait, uh-oh. Oh yeah, we're good. I just put it a little bit above it. Now my question is still, why is this else if so indented? Does indentation matter in C? Nyan, you and I are on the same wavelength. We're thinking alike here. Thank you for answering the question that I just asked. Right on. Okay. Well, I'll just move it back then. Okay, these two. I didn't put one above this if, so let me make sure we got them all here. So if both the user and the computer have the same thing, got that. If user's choice is rock, computer's paper, got that. If, and then the one underneath this is one we're missing. If user's choice is rock, scissors. Okay, copy that comment. Man, it sucks breathing today, man. Holy shit, my nose is stuffed. Sorry y'all have to hear it. Okay. Well, there's that part. There's our function for game. Now we'd have to get the inputs, right? Int main driver code stores a random number. Char u computer result. Okay. Main function. Curly braces and then open them up. You know what? Time is it? It's about to be 2. Let's finish this up and then I'm gonna end the stream. Because I do want to take a break before I get back on my computer for class in 4 hours. So let's do that. So within here we have int in. Chooses the random number every time. Okay, so srand function time null. And equals random function 100. Oops. Slow down, slow down, slow down. There we go. 33. Using simple probability, 100 is roughly divided among rock. Probability. Using simple probability, 100 is roughly divided. Oh, saying, I think he's trying to, oh, actually that's not a bad idea, giving it a 33% chance for each one. Roughly. I guess 33.3. Point 3. 33.3 chance. Yeah. Huh. Actually might is, that's pretty cool. I wouldn't have to do that, but it would make it change the result more. Okay. Good stretch, good stretch. Got. If you don't shake, it ain't good. S. If you're just joining, thank you for being here. If you've been here the whole time, I appreciate it. Thank you for sticking around. We're almost done with the stream though. Been doing it for about 2-3 hours or so. I gotta upload them. I gotta eat lunch. Get ready for class. Yes, okay. And if n is less than 66. Okay, this part's making some sense to me since I've made this game before in Python. The computer will run paper. S. Wait, oh shit. Their S was supposed to be R. My S, or their Z is my S. Just gotta remember that. Okay. Okay. So these are done. We are here. Print. New line, new line, new line, new line. Tab, tab, tab. Enter S for stone. Input from the user. Scan F. Music kind of funky, y'all. So is it scanf is a commonly used function to take input from a user. The scanf function read format standard input. Okay, I think the rest will just, we got rock paper scissors. Print F. Print F, as Fireship.io says. Double quotes. I'll just do it as enter S for enter R for rock, comma P. Now, what I want to do is compare, once I'm done with this, I want to compare this to the Python rock, paper, scissors game that I made. There should be more lines of code because this is giving a probability for each one rather than just printing. Well, hold on. We're not really using random. We're kind of giving it an amount of times to, I don't know, we'll see. I don't want to get too ahead of myself. Alright, so we print that. And then now it's going to take the user input. Okay, makes sense. See, this is what I wanted to do all day. The shit that I enjoy doing. Scan F. Takes a placeholder of C. So the placeholder of C was a single character. Do I have an internship? No. Wait, internship? Is that what you're asking me? No. I'm in a coding bootcamp. If that's, I think that's what you were asking me. Yeah, I just got in. My volume has been very loud on the scale here. We just started yesterday. It's more of like a web dev bootcamp. I'm mostly taking it for the back end stuff. That's the stuff that interests me. Like the inner workings of programs. I don't care too much about the way it looks. The GUI, like not really GUI, but I guess like web apps. I don't care that much. So this is a holding me. So this is a placeholder for a um, once my bootcamp is done. Once my bootcamp is done, though, um, why is it auto formatting my code? I need. There's probably a setting I have to change for something. I don't like that. Oh, wait, where is it? The print is within. Yeah, that shouldn't happen. Once the bootcamp is done, I will be looking for like jobs and stuff. They also have it to where it kind of helps you. They kind of help you try to find a job in tech. So hopefully I can find something. I think that'd be pretty cool. But I also might have to do some like work on my resume and whatnot. Okay, so result equals if result equals no. Oh wait. Result does equal game. Computer. It is a big plus to be on a. Yeah, I think so. I think it'll help me a lot. It is like when I was just doing some of the prerequisites and stuff, there was a lot of work a lot of things I didn't know. So, and I was just like on HTML and stuff. Why is it auto formatting like this, bro? What did I do? If result, oh, that's why. Okay, I'm tripping. It's just result equals game, and then we can I have not eaten in a few hours. I'm getting very kind of fatigued, but we're almost done. We're just gonna try to push through. Yeah, COVID's still kicking my ass, y'all. Like being fatigued from just sitting here doing this sucks. Like I get very tired. I feel super weak. It's annoying. We're trying to get there though. So if the result is that, let me just see. I can look at it myself. If the result is 1, that means you win because rock smashes paper. Yeah, I'm not a fan. I never want to get it again because I had it. It sucked. I'm still. It's been months. It's been like 8 months. I'm still dealing with stuff. Um. So if it prints 1, that means you win. User wins, right? Yeah. Yeah, I can definitely see it being a lot more work just to do something simple, doing less. You do a lot more work for less. And see, but that's not necessarily the worst thing in the world. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Let's delete some of this extra nothingness, extra lines for no reason. All right, 100 lines of code, flat, with comments. There are some comments I can add, but let's see. Error expect. Oh, I missed some semicolons, huh? All right, let's fix that. Let's fix this issue. Oh, I need to return 0. That's one thing I forgot. Now, oh, we're still getting it. Issue. What is this? Computer S. I'm definitely gonna have an issue remembering that semicolons need to be in a lot of different places. Line 76. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Before if. 35. Oh, the return. Man, yeah. I'm going to have an issue with that. 31 too, yeah. Oh, that's the one I just did. Thank you. 63. Null. Oh, I put hull, not null. 73 before P. Okay. I'm sure glad this is telling me everything. Before P. At some point, I should become an afterthought. That's what you do, yeah. Tab's killing me. I don't get 73 though. Error expected before P. Oh, equals. Okay. Alright, we've gotten down to at least one error. Warning format expects argument of type character asterisk, but argument 2 has type. Code is already running. Where is it running at? Console? So make sure it's running. Code is running already. And you said the terminal tab? Yeah, is what I'm saying too. Go up? Up in the terminal or up in my code? On GCC. I think that's this right here. This is far. That's as far up as I can go in this thing. In GCC. Terminal left. As I'm missing something. Let me know what you're kind of referring to. Stop pressing compile and run it from the normal shell. Alright. We can try that. How do we do this again? Is it just... Oh my god. Oh my god. Type right. GCC. I have to use the bathroom really bad. LS. So all of this is written within here. File. Wait, what? So the one we're working on was just file.c, and then I think I used, yeah, file. Okay. Let's minimize that. And then how do you compile again? I forgot what it was from the earlier part of the stream. Don't I make the name of it? Dot. Okay, yeah. That was what it was. Dot slash. Okay, there we go. Let's try it out. R. You won. Alright. Let's run it again. P. You lost. So I didn't make it to where it prints what the computer chose and why I lost or won. Um, but for now, I think that's good, y'all. I am ready to take a break. It's been 3.5 hours since starting. Yeah, we did it, guys. Thank you, by the way, Coding, for helping me out with how to run and or execute it. We have our first C program ever. It's a rock paper scissors game, and I actually understood most of making it. So I'm gonna host somebody. Let's look through. Do you all have anybody you want to host? Let's. Maybe we'll look through. Oh, we have Noel. He also is in the server. He streams. He does like TypeScript and stuff. I know he was having an issue with like an issue with his app deployment. I'm gonna host him. I hope y'all have a great day. You know, thanks for stopping by. We're almost at affiliate. Almost there. We just need a good stream, a couple more streams with some people. Yeah, I'm gonna rate them. Where is it at? What's it called again? Stream manager. There's a raid button somewhere. Raid channel. Okay, y'all have a good one. Thanks for stopping by. Peace. Peace, peace, peace. Stay safe. Oh, that's a command you can use? That's pretty cool. Peace, y'all.